Yeah. Whole towel, or whole reel gone and no real progress. But, nonetheless, welcome to part 4, in which McDuff, yoink, swaps the oil filter. A very excellent $10. It's the ever-living piss out of out of having someone else do it. Oh, you can't see anything. Oh. Brilliant. Yeah, just, you know, dump more all over the place. That's, I mean, I couldn't have asked you to do it any better than you did it, so that's good. Let's just stick with that. Keep it coming. Yeah. All right. Well, new oil filter. Should I take a second? I'll tell you what. Oops, there's an O-ring. O-ring is there for future reference in case you lose it, Chris. Okay, where's that rag? Rag actually happens to be attached to my other bike. You can tell the difference. I mean, you can smell the patriotism. Anyway, oh shit. Which one was the new one? The cold one. Oh god! You goddamn retarded. Alright, well. You know, they say hand tight, but I'm covered in oil, it sucks. I'll just tell them. Well, I won't really tell them anything, because who's they? You? You, YouTube, you really don't give a shit about my oil filter. But there she blows. Sitting pretty. For the record, odometer is 45. So there you have it. Next oil change will be I want to say 1,000, but I'll probably do it 1,000 just so I can switch it over to synthetic, since that seems to be what the internet's telling me to do. Okay, goodbye.